Welcome to our Sage Pastel Payroll backup creation video. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a backup and the various other ways where a backup can be created on Pastel Payroll. How to create the backup. Click on File, Backup. Select the directory on your computer where Payroll must save the backup. Click on Process. Wait for the backup information to be created. Then you can click on Close. Where else can I create my backup? Number 1, from the backup company icon, or when running my payroll run process under Process Payroll Run, then I have the backup icon available to click on Process, then run the backup information and click on Close. Or I can run it from my Pay Period Updates function under Process Pay Period Updates, then click on the Backup button and Process, then Close. Thank you for watching our video.